So I've been married for 25 years to the same woman in a row. I've known her for 27, 28 years. It's pretty amazing to find someone in your life that you want to share your life with. And I've been lucky. My wife, Maureen, some of you know her, some of you don't. And her not being known, it's just fine by her. Hi, I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, sponsored, of course, by Electro Voice and my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. You can go to entertainment-experience.com for more, or just reach out to me. The reason I'm talking about my wife and the fact that I found this wonderful person is people that I know or guys that I meet, you know, one of the questions that I get asked by the DJs is, how did you do that? How do you have this amazing relationship? Because I have a tough time as a DJ having a real, meaningful relationship. And I get that. I do. Because it was an issue for me, too, when I was younger. Not so much right away. I mean, I got into DJing really because I wasn't cool in school, and I wanted to meet girls, and I wanted to look cool to girls, and I started DJing, and it worked. Okay, so that's pretty superficial, but it's, you know, it's honest. And as you go through life, you know, that superficial thing that you're doing it for, it still works, and so you meet a lot of girls. You're the most charming person in the room. You're the most visible person in the room. You're smiling and trying to be attractive and kind of flirty, and that's what we do, right? We play their songs and we smile and we make fans. But that's superficial. Then you start to think, I want to have something more. Well, you find someone you think is going to be more, and they see the way you met them. They see how you are at work, and oh my gosh, you know, I don't know, man. He's out there flirting. He's out there staying out late at night. She's jealous. He's jealous. Whoever that person is for you, they're jealous of what you do. How do you fix that? Well, you don't have to change who you are, except that you need to be more communicative. You need to communicate. They need to understand, and you need to understand them and their feelings in such a way that you can communicate your job. It is a job to you, right? If it's not a job and you're still flirting and meeting girls and you're trying to create a significant other, yeah, you got a problem, okay? You're not going to last very long. But if that's not what you're doing, then that needs to be clear to your significant other. And the only way you're going to make that significant other understand is you need to see it from their perspective too. That's how communication works. You need to understand so that she can understand, or he. And if it works out, it works out. I mean, we have an understanding, my wife and I. Not because I'm out there finding girls, but the understanding is I work the weekends. Our weekend out is Sunday, not Friday and Saturday. And that's okay. That's our life. So what are you doing to be honest about what you do? And are you unafraid to have a conversation with that person to see it from their point of view so that you can both come to an understanding? Because that's really most of what's going on. Because they don't get it. You're on stage. This is a job, and your job is to be awesome. To be everybody wants to be around you. That's a job, and you're getting paid. So, can you separate that? And if you are, can you help that person understand that you have? What do you think of this? Put your comments below. Tell me more about what's going on with you. Otherwise, from the road, I'll see you next week on Creative License.